Hello, good morning. Today we will see wealth and just meeting the needs. So there are two kinds of people: wealthy people and those trying to meet the needs as they arise. So it is a very pathetic situation that people don't learn to live fully. They see around first in their family and then society, whatever sees around, this papers, TVs, all people, they see certain people who want their own way to win, which is mostly artificial. Some organizations, some thoughts, some wrong notions which rule nations so far, which are making a loud noise around all the human beings. And the human beings at last give up and listen to that sounds. This is like that, you should live like this, you should not make much money, making money is not good, huh? Money is all evil, etc. These things are they hear from around. But as you see, about 1% of the world's population are make the most money. So nobody wants to talk about money. Why, I don't know. So much important thing as money. According to me, money is just like our blood. Suppose some person is going to die in accident, the blood is lost. So somebody gives blood and he lives. I think similar to that is money. Money is a thing made by the human beings, which is also a divine. Everything is divine, isn't it? So spirit makes all these things, the divine power. So somehow people see the lack of the suffering around them due to lack of money, and they somehow believe that it is due to money. Some people live a rich life, whereas others don't have money and they suffer. So this money makes this suffering, but actually lack of the money is making the suffering. That we are not taught. We are not taught about this. Some other thing is made, we as children we are made to accept. So the money, as you see, money is necessary. Even if those who don't have money, don't think they don't have money. Go ahead. If you have a good idea that you become a doctor, engineer, or a big businessman, you will be living a good life. That's your target. When you become that, you will be living a good life for the 20, 30 years. You make that effort. Otherwise, it is not possible. It's a positive, active effort to make this possible. Should be done. Then the nature gives everything. Somebody helps you, some scholarship is given, you get some money, you work somewhere, you get money. So don't give up because of lack of money. The lack of money or something, a good life is an incentive for you to do something to make extra money. Some hobby, some fish, ornamental fish farming, some drawing, some photography, or some video, YouTube video. Anyway, money you can make. You don't think that there's no money. That thought should be removed from that. You should have that money in your mind and do something for that, and the money will come. And then you go from that above and above, grow up. That's the way. Because money, without money, nobody can do anything. That's how the human beings have so far come. Money is necessary. a large amount of money is necessary, and wealth is all good. I think now I have no hesitation to state that money and wealth helps everybody, anybody to grow up, to tide over bad times, to reach new heights. Money is necessary. So save money or get money somehow, and it will increase the money you have. Money will increase the money. That's according to me. I have seen that you have to spend money for your ability, get ability, which makes more money, more facilities. Some cars, some machines, computers, office, good house, your own house, where you need not hear anybody's opinion about you or whatever you can do, whatever business you can do. You can think without hindrance in your own place. So that makes more money, more money, more money. That's all. And extremely wealthy is very good. 2 or 3 generations of the children can be provided for. So that's a wealthy, extremely wealthy. And other 97% what they do, they exert effort according to the needs. So if family, some children, so provide for them for their education, and that's only their aim for 30 years. And after that is over, they find that they are not care for anybody. The children they brought up, they desert them because they are on family. One more old man or old woman in their family means it is less food or expenses for the new family, nuclear family. So they just hate or not hate. They put their old people in the old age homes and they live because that's only possible. So at that their way of life. So it's not that's a wrong way they are thinking. Even if they provide for their loved ones, they can provide for themselves. It is no. I think it is not a good to sacrifice one's life for others, and call that good. One need not sacrifice anything for anybody and think they are doing good. That's not, they are not repaid, they are neglected and put in old age homes. So that beliefs, according to me, that is not. Anybody can believe whatever they want. I don't advise anybody to change their beliefs. But I find that uh, this making the small targets for immediate needs or somebody else's needs, even if they are close ones, it's not good. That should be there first. Everyone's preference. Then on, like one can help themselves, and then with a small amount help others, so that others will accept their ability and live well. So that is two things: wealthy and making money for needs. So according to me, the world now has just reset itself by the COVID. It's everything stopped and it will start new. So it is time to throw away the old restraining beliefs because it is not so many people are not there in this world. So there is plenty of space, plenty of land, plenty of money, plenty of things to do. More people, new generations to come, good people who believe and accept the laws of nature should come to repopulate the world. So wealthy people should be there, and not that short-sighted, small targets. That child should be educated, child's marriage, then children's marriage. Because so many people tell you that you should do this, children's children. You should care for them, etc. Why? So many people will tell you that words. Everybody. You listen to that. It's not right because one should go one's own way. I always wanted to go my own way. I decide and do it. Then what happens is, once you do it, everybody you are successful, then everybody will come to you that what you did was right. That's the thing. So, money, there is no hesitation to make money. Live your life as you like. Everybody, those who can think about it. And don't hesitate, just as Malayalis don't write in public. They say, what people will think if I write in comments. They don't write, very few people write in my comments, good or bad comments. I think the people, Malayalis are afraid, some superstitions that if we write this, we will fall out, we will get bad fortune and we will be poor or something. They don't, other people will accuse what they will feel if you write comments. I don't hesitate. You can write whatever comments below because my videos don't have any comments. Everybody is just clean. That they don't want to express their minds in this worldwide medium. So don't hesitate. That if you like my views, you comment. You find fault with me if you can differ in your opinion. This is how I believe. My belief is after traveling through life so far. So you also decide about what you want. There is no force to select anyway. What is good for you, you feel you do for your own life. Okay.